is that time again. We are unboxing the FabFitFun box. Hello, hi, my name is Rebecca. I am an artist. I use this channel to express myself creatively through makeup. I also like to do unboxings. So today we are unboxing the FabFitFun box, and if you have been here before, you know the likelihood of this hitting it right out of the park is really low. So at this point, I don't know if I'm actually looking forward to what's coming in the boxes, more so than how disappointed I'm gonna be from what is actually in the boxes. This brand's kind of gone downhill. I think we all know that. I am absolutely not in the demographic that this is targeting. I'm holding on to maybe there being better products again in the near future, but the products have been pretty terrible in the last few boxes. So if you are interested in colorful makeup, indie brands owned by women of color, or just women in general, you might want to hit subscribe and notifications because I love talking about those things here. And I do unboxings, so that's what we're doing. If by chance you are interested in this look and how I did it, I do have a video that will either be right before this one or right after this one. So either look for it or be on the lookout for it. All right, here we go. Smells good. That's a good sign. Share the joy of digging into your spring box. Detach this postcard below and send it to a friend so they can get $15 off, whatever, okay. Ugh, stickers. No, we'll look at that later, although I never do. I always throw those things away, recycle them. I recycle them. More coupons, all right. Nourish, 30% off. All right, fine. HelloFresh, 13 meals, included free shipping. Okay, great. On your first box, great. 13 3 meals. If you want this, let me know. I do actually have a HelloFresh subscription and I love it to death. It is one of those boxes that I will never, ever, ever stop subscribing to because they are delicious and pretty easy for the most part. I love HelloFresh. The first thing I grabbed here are these. We're starting off on a fucking great foot here. I can't stand when things come like this. Like, is a box that hard? It's a plastic bag. There are 3 reusable cotton rounds in here. I'm opening it because I'm probably gonna use it, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's just see. There's literally no description anywhere about this. The brand is Say Hello. I'm assuming you pronounce it Say because the website is Say Hello. Brand Say, S-A-I-E, I don't know. Okay, you can machine wash them, great, whatever. So the bag is super cheap. That was a silica pack. And these feel so fucking cheap. I'm certain that this was one of the FabFitFun picks because all of the FabFitFun picks suck ass. These, like, what are these for? They feel like faux fur. I can't imagine what this would be for. Like, are you supposed to use this for powder? Are you supposed to use this to take makeup off your face with micellar water? What the fuck are you supposed to use this for? I will open the catalog to see what it says about it. Ugh. These feel like a really cheap toy that you'd find in the pharmacy. You know what I mean? Like, everything in here is in a plastic bag. Like, the cheapness of this box makes me want to puke, thinking how much money we all spend on FabFitFun boxes. Is this a new thing? I don't remember this much shit coming in plastic bags. And I hate this sound. I chose this between this or something else. This is a market bag. Oh my God, I'm gonna mute this while I open it because this sound is so fucking loud. So hold on. So here's that market bag. It was between this and something else, and this was the less sucky thing. I will probably use this, maybe. I've got a lot of these already, so it's a maybe. I also chose this between something else because I need more slippers. The only slippers I have were from a FabFitFun box, and I do wear them all the time, even though they feel cheap as hell. So these are the slippers. They feel really hard. They're soft, you know, they're soft, but like this feels incredibly hard. It's a safe bet to say I'm gonna be disappointed about every single thing in this box. Let's open another bag. I just don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get all these bags. Like, why so many plastic bags? So it's a hair scarf set. Hopefully that just means there are 2 hair scarves. More silica. I mean, really this box maybe just needed 1 thing of silica for everything in it. But all these fucking bags have a silica pack in each. 5 stylish ways to rock our scarves. Okay, thank you. I'm an adult with eyeballs. I know how scarves work. Fucking, I don't even know. We'll try one. Okay, fine, got a scarf. Not mad. There are 2 scarves. There's this one and this ivory color one. The reason why I picked these out as an option is because when I'm doing my makeup, I think that these would be great to just keep my hair back. These are swatches, don't mind them. One thing so far I'm not upset about. A hair mask by Gloss Moderne. I don't know what to say about this. It's a hair mask. I haven't tried it before. The reason why I got it is because I'm almost out of my current hair mask. So I just got another one. Earth Harbor Marina. I don't think I've tried this one before. No. Okay. So I have gotten a shit ton of Earth Harbor products in subscription boxes. I really don't know how I feel about Earth Harbor. I had used like half of one bottle. It was like the, what was it? The Youth Ampoule or whatever. It's like an orangey pink, I think, kind of tinted oil. But I had used that, like half of it, and then dropped it and broke it when I went camping. I mean, my God, it sounds like I went camping out in the woods. No, I went to a cabin and it was supposed to be like just like a very indulgent cabin trip. So I brought all my face products and ended up breaking that one oil. And so of course I had to stop using it, and I noticed 0 change in my skin. So my face wasn't missing it at all. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't really noticed any significant differences with or without these products. So, I mean, I'll try it. Let's see how you smell. Yeah, it smells like blue tansy. It has spirulina and blue tansy, and it smells like blue tansy. Also not upset about that one. I just, I don't really have strong feelings for Earth Harbor. Okay, last thing in a bag. Lip masks, okay. So these are Suns Out, Pouts Out. 4 gold foil lip masks. I can't remember if I picked this one. I don't feel like I would have because I don't use any face masks, hand masks, foot masks that come in packaging like this because it is incredibly wasteful. And so the only time I use any kind of mask is if it's like in a jar and I have to put it on my face, whether it's like a powder, you add water to it, or if it's just like a whatever. I don't like the waste. I mean, whatever. I might use one. I might give the other 3 out to friends. The last thing is this LED plant light thing. It's an indoor planter. I did pick this out intentionally because I am planning on giving this to my friend who is all about sprouting her vegetables indoors. I feel like she would get a lot of use out of this. I hope that it performs better than this LED mirror that I got in a FabFitFun box that crapped out on me the first time I used it. Doesn't matter how many times I have tried to plug it in and charge it for many hours, days upon days. The light just doesn't work. It sucks. So hopefully this will be better. And I guess it came with a little packet of basil in case you wanted to save 99 cents from the hardware store. Everything sucks in this thing. I mean, it doesn't suck. Like, it's not like the worst shit I've ever had. It's just, it sucks a lot. So let's just see what I could have chosen. I remember when the spoilers were coming out for this box and they were saying like, oh, you get to choose between this and this. And I remember being like, these are all horrible. They were all just awful. All members get to pick from customizations 1 through 3. So you could have gotten this tray, you could have gotten this watch, this really horribly ugly bag. Same thing with this fucking umbrella. Who is FabFitFun for? I have an idea, but you tell me. This Paracone was an eye cream, it's a moisturizer. These like packing bags for maybe picnics or lunches or whatever. The UV sanitizer, not bad. Very smart thing to have right now. I think it was between these 2 for me. I wanted to give this to a friend, so I picked that out. So watermelon mask, watermelon serum, or this oil. It's just a regular oil. Is it like a face oil? What is it? I don't fucking know. There's no description on that page. You could have gotten these brushes. The reason why I didn't is because I have never ever heard of this brand. I've never heard anyone talk about it. Unless I've heard people rave about brushes, I'm not gonna get them. MAC Cosmetics lipsticks. So I've heard really great things about MAC Cosmetics lipsticks, but I don't support big brands. So I would rather get lipsticks from a small indie brand. Lunchbox, don't need another one of those. I got that, the hair mask. This fucking bucket hat. Coasters, eye serum, because we don't have 100. What? Planners. We're not planning anything in 2021. I mean, maybe the last 4 months of it, but who needs a planner right now? I don't know about you, but there's still a pandemic out there and I'm still isolating. I still have my quarantine of 3 people. This ring, I'm not into costume jewelry. I can't stand rings that aren't completely like solid. It's adjustable. Like the word adjustable in front of ring, no. I picked out these slippers because really, I mean, there weren't a whole lot of great options. I mean, my God, for as many options as there were, I'm baffled by the lack of anything good. Tweezers, the headscarves that I got, hair scarves. It looks like a foot pumice and some socks, a Hava cleansing gel because we don't have enough Hava products. This market bag, which is what I picked out. This organizer, which, you know, not a bad choice really for me because I could use more organization, but I really don't want to add more bulky BPA plastic into my life. Grown Alchemist, I'm really tired of that brand. Elemis, I do like Elemis. This would have been fine, the peel, but I chose the bag instead. Pure Face and Body Dry Oil. I'm not interested in that really. Mud Cleansing Bar. Ooh, okay. This is where we get into the good stuff. The FabFitFun picks. Okay, so what did I not get? All right, I fucking knew it. I knew I didn't pick out these lip masks because I don't buy that shit anymore. These fucking flower hair clips. If you like flip through this catalog and it's just like daisies, pastel, like they're fucking, I mean, I understand it's spring, but can we calm the fuck down on the daisies? This is the tackiest shit ever. The daisies and everything. You tell me, do you want this? People are going to get that in their box and give it to their daughter or niece or neighbor's kid. There's a hand scrub. Oh, right, there was floss. You could have gotten floss and tweezers in this thing. I mean, this is like pharmacy. This is, I mean, my God, this could be like a CVS subscription box. Like everything in here is like CVS Plus. Things that you can get from CVS, but brands you can't find there. I'm guessing, I mean, maybe you can, I don't know. Okay, Islands of Italy bath gel. A cactus sippy cup. It's a sipper cup, but it's a fucking sippy cup. Is it cute? Sure. I'm so confused by FabFitFun. I'm so confused by it. Okay, so the lip masks, and then I want to see what it says about these fucking beauty rounds. It says ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable beauty rounds. Okay, I'm gonna compare a couple things. These textures are exactly the same. Exactly the same. Do you want to rub your slipper on your face to clean it? I'm confused. Like, am I supposed to soak this thing with micellar water? Like, I don't know about your routine on how you wash your face or put toner on or whatever, but my cotton rounds, and they're not in here, my cotton rounds are like flat. They're not squishy or furry. It's like micro terry cloth. You know what I'm talking about? And this, honestly, this weird texture, it's the same thing with that fucking round. Like, I'm so confused by everything in this box. The nail polish, and they better be fucking glad they didn't say they got any nail polish because I freaked out last time. I just don't get it. Like, I play guitar. I don't paint my nails. Okay, anyway, that's all I'm gonna say about it. I hate it. Should just cancel my subscription, and I'm not really sure why I don't. I'm gonna hold out for you know what? What I did was I recently got charged for another year. So I'm gonna give it another year since I already paid for it. We'll just see how bad it gets. I have other subscription boxes that I can absolutely recommend. I recommend CosBox. I recommend KinderBox, which I just started very, very recently. Those boxes are great. If you want makeup, try Beauty Box. Do not get this. don't get it. If you're thinking about getting FabFitFun, don't get it. Am I gonna keep doing these review videos that honestly people are thumbs downing? Yeah, why? Because it's kind of cathartic to bitch about a garbage subscription box that people, for whatever fucking reason, will spend so much money on. I'm one of them. And if I had not had been automatically charged for another year, I would absolutely have canceled. Every season it gets worse. There are fewer and fewer items in each box that I am willing to use. So until the next FabFitFun unboxing roast, literally this right here, this is the only thing that I bitch about like this. I've never been so shocked by the horrible choices and quality of any products in any subscription box
ever.
Like, it's just, it's hilarious. It's amusing to me. And for those of you who are thumbs downing this video, does it hurt your feelings? Do you work for FabFitFun? Are you the ones who picked this shit out? I'm sorry if I offended you because you liked that Daisy bucket hat or the scrunchies in that last FabFitFun video that I completely shit on. Look, you can like it. You can like it. That's fine. Doesn't take away from the shit quality that are all of these things that are in here. Earth Harbor, fine. Earth Harbor is, I know that brand is a very good brand. It's a family-owned brand. They're the exception. But all of the plastic fucking bags in this goddamn box, like you open the box and it's like garbage. I mean, come on. Like, let's get real here. Why are you thumbs downing the video? Because I insulted the things you like? I'm sorry. Like, come on. If someone shit on the things I like, which happens all the time. I just watched a video of a very popular YouTuber shitting on Halsey's makeup brand About Face. I'm not mad about it. I still like Halsey and I respect her and I like her makeup brand. I can't wait to try everything in there. I am not offended that this one YouTuber called everyone who uses Halsey products weird. That doesn't offend me. If you're offended, you absolutely have that right to feel that way. And I'm sorry that you feel that way. You know, we all have different tastes. You will find another person reviewing the FabFitFun box who pulls everything out of it and just fucking loves it. If you want those kind of videos, this is not the place. If you want to watch videos of someone completely shitting all over the FabFitFun box, come on over. This is the place. But anyway, that about wraps it up. So once every 3 months, I'm going to completely unleash this pent up FabFitFun aggression. Once every 3 months, it's fine. It's fine. All the other videos I'm like really excited about because these are products that I pick out specifically for myself. They're not just things that are picked out for me. Oh yeah, well, I mean, there's BoxyCharm. So FabFitFun and BoxyCharm. If you really like shitting on subscription box videos, watch FabFitFun and BoxyCharm videos from me because that's what I do with them. They both are just not doing great right now. So anyway, if you like them, that's totally fine. That's totally fine. I mean, doesn't hurt my feelings. I still would like you. It doesn't matter. So this is all my opinion. All of this is just my opinion. So I'm not trying to kiss anyone's ass either. So I don't want to know what's in your FabFitFun box. I want to know what you got. Did you get a box full of plastic bags too? Did you like anything in your box? I don't know. Tell me. Let's talk in the comments. All right. Until next time. Bye.